If you have dull and foggy headlights, a mildly abrasive toothpaste may be the solution. It's an excellent low-cost alternative to traditional restoration or expensive replacement. Here are the supplies you'll need for cleaning your vehicle's headlights with toothpaste. First, using soap and water, thoroughly wash the headlights, then allow them to fully dry. Next, use painter's tape to protect the paint and plastic parts around the headlight. Then, wearing disposable gloves, add a dab of toothpaste to a damp cleaning cloth. Rub each headlight firmly, adding toothpaste and small amounts of water as you go. Rub more of the mixture onto the headlights as needed for any difficult spots. Rinse each headlight thoroughly with clean water. Allow the headlights to air dry before buffing with a clean cloth. Finally, apply a small amount of car wax to the headlights to help keep them looking clear longer. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.